In the last video, we learnt about traits and abstract methods in PHP. If you haven't seen that video, head over to the channel, hit the subscribe button, and make sure that you are starting from the beginning of the series. You just want to make sure that everything's going to make sense. In this video, we're going to be talking about scopes and modifiers. These are important concepts in OOP PHP that will control the visibility and the accessibility of class members, such as properties and methods. Let's start with scopes. In PHP, there are three main scopes: public, protected, and private. Public methods, which are marked with the public keyword, can be accessed from anywhere within the codebase, both inside and outside of the class. They can be accessed directly like this, using the arrow notation. Protected members, which are marked with the protected keyword, can only be accessed within the class itself, and also classes that derive this class, also known as subclasses. They cannot be accessed directly from outside the class. Private members, which are marked with the private keyword, can only be accessed within the class itself. They cannot be accessed directly from outside the class or in any other derived class. A nice rule of thumb is to remember that each method can only access properties or other methods with the same or lower scope. Now, let's talk about modifiers. These are special keywords that can be used to modify the behaviour of a class member. One example of a modifier is the final keyword, which can be used to prevent methods from being able to override in a derived class or subclass. Another example of a modifier is the static keyword. This can be used to declare a class member that belongs to the class and not the individual instantiated objects. As you can see, static properties and methods can be accessed directly using the class name of that object without needing to instantiate the object itself. As of PHP 8.2, there is also a new read-only modifier that can be used to declare read-only class properties. An important thing to note, the read-only modifier can only be used on public class properties. It cannot be used on methods or private or protected properties. I hope this video helped you understand scopes and modifiers in object-oriented programming with PHP 8.2. In the next video, we're going to be exploring Model View Controller, otherwise known as MVC. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe to catch the rest of this series. Peace out.